Journey or kind of sort of vlogging for the first time on my channel, and I am going to a hair show. I live in the DMV area, and there's the Cosmoprof hair show, which is going to be at a big hotel over here called the Gaylord, and that's where everybody's going to be at. All the brands that I like, Framar, Joico, Olaplex, you know, some of the people that I like and follow are going to be there. So follow me through my journey. I'm on my way there right now. I had a very interesting morning where the wristband that I bought for the show that I have to get into the show, I cannot find it. So I spent about 45 minutes trying to look for it. I couldn't find it. So I'm just praying and hoping that they will let me in there with my ID and my license number. It's been a rough morning, y'all. So I am on my way there, and I'll check back with y'all when I get there. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm in the elevator trying to get down to the lower level so I can get to this show. So let's see if these people are going to let me in. I'm now in the line to go get back. Finally in the showroom, the main showroom, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. I was waiting in line for a long time to get this bag. This is the bag. I'll show you what's in the bag later. But let me go ahead and show you the showroom. It's pretty girly, inspired state license plate. So it's a Cosmoprof hair show, and so people are kind of strolling in. It's still kind of girly. People are walking in here with their bags. I'm in the Framar line. You guys know I use brushes all the time. I'm about to buy these. These are the best brushes out here in town. And I'm buying a scale and a timer. But yeah, these things just make me happy.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get excited. But actually, let's talk about that. Yeah. If I can have you come up on stage for us. It's a nice little segue into another red formula. Thank you, my love. If we could pull up her before photo. Here we go. So here we go. Lauren. So she's a natural level 7 virgin hair. Why don't you talk them through the process? Because you guys, these are brand new red shades that are coming out May 1st. These are called our Powerhouse Reds. So we're launching, I believe it's somewhere between 13 and 15 different colors, lumishine liquids and permanent colors. So Sherry Magda, this is another one of your beautiful reds. I think it's the same exact color technique, is it not?
Absolutely the same technique, Chad. These two were done with the exact same technique. We did the spotlights here, and then her top coat was done with intensity orange and a little bit of...
Okay, so I just go right across that buns. I take my bottom left, hold it against her scalp. I touch the corners to make sure my positioning is right. I let go, and then I just firmly press with my hands. Okay.
It's just an activator. That's it. The powder is what it counts. So when you use the developer, the only thing you're speeding is the time, busting the cuticle and releasing those curls to death. And there is those clients that have dead curls. Here is not the power is here. So this one is gonna be a typical highlight, guys. Nothing fancy. The only thing I do, I kind of feather that top a little bit so it's softer. Another thing that I do, I don't fold my foils. One, curly hair has texture. It's gonna move in this foil. It's gonna curl. So if you have a lot of hair and you fold it, you're gonna be screwed again. It's gonna be a lot of...
Alright, so I'm Tessa Merson, and I'm a national educator for Paul Mitchell as well. I am excited today because I get to share with you guys one of my favorite brands, which is Invisible Wear. I love it, guests love it, everyone loves it. What is in right now is that beachy, wavy texture, and so I'm doing it, you know, all day long on the chair, I feel like. So Invisible Wear supports that for me. You saw her come in. She had a beautiful blow dry already, right? It made my day way easier. So she had a beautiful blow dry already. And sometimes our clients come in, right, and they maybe went out somewhere, or we need to let them know how to transition that blowout into something else, right? So restyling this is going to help us do that. Spraying it on, it helps as a detangler on wet hair, but on dry hair it helps reshape and restyle hair. So now I'm going to smooth it out, and the end result, instead of nice and beautiful and glamorous, it's going to be nice and beachy and textured. Okay?
And in Protect and the finish, they all have the humidity resistant for up to 8 hours. So whether you have really fine hair that's just going to go flat, it's going to protect against that.
Helps us, especially body position, it's more ergonomical for us, right? So it saves us so we can work longer. But also,
myth. You can absolutely cut naturally curly hair with a razor. So one, we have two different carving combs. It is the fine tooth or the wide tooth. The tool is exactly the same. It depends on the tension and texture of hair. I am choosing a wide tooth for hair because she's got hair like Chewbacca, right? So I mean, you don't mess around with Chewbacca with a little tiny little thing. I'm like, ah. So I already know that right off the bat. I'm gonna switch it up. And I'm sorry that I called you Chewbacca, but I love Chewbacca. He was my favorite. I am Princess Leia. I have about 3 strands of hair, so I would never lose. So can I borrow a little more prepared? She's got this thick hair that is extremely porous. I don't typically have to use this much prepare, but her hair is thirsty.
You're okay doing that without having it soaking wet with the razor?
Yes. Yes, and the prepare makes it so that I can do that. So I'm just establishing her guide. It's not damp. I didn't spray enough to make her hair damp. It is just one of my favorite words, moist. I know, I only said it because I know how much people hate it. It's not hating me. It's so funny how certain words bother people. I would use prepare if her hair was wet also. One of the reasons that we had her come with
that horseshoe shape, right? Couple reasons why: it's complementing the roundness of his head, the shape of his head, and it's opening that transition area up a lot more, give us a lot more room to play with.
Guys, our blend is cutting. Everybody put on the pamphlet. You have a pamphlet. I think in the beginning we have the shampoo and the conditioner. We'll go over some of the key features in the shampoo and conditioner. Everybody look at a shampoo and conditioner. This is the beginning of the service, but this is also how we introduce our clients into retail. Our shampooing and conditioning the hair is one of the key elements that we can do to help the overall health and strength of the hair. Starting out looking at your pamphlet, give me one key ingredient of the shampoo and conditioner.
So turn around, hand up. So then you relax your arms. And that's the other thing. Like, make them feel comfortable. Because the more tense and kind of like, can you move your arms? Just like, it makes them feel awkward. Like, your energy has to reflect their energy. Feel like a dog. Like, if you're really nervous around a dog, that's like, why are you nervous? Like, it's the same thing with the client.
How do you make free profit, right? Because all of us would probably put in a lot more work on the internet if you knew you would make money, right? Because we value our time, and all of us value our time in a different way. So what I think is valuable, you guys might not.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as I took you through my hair show journey. I'm definitely going to show you, because I did say in the video I was going to show you what's in my bag. So this is the bag that we got, and there's some products in here that I want to show you. So the first product is Biomega Moisture Mist. It's a conditioner, so I'm going to try it. Maybe I'll review it and have you guys tell me what you think or whatever. So that's that. We also got an American Crew pomade for those of you guys that do men's haircut and kind of want to define it. It has some type of hold to it. Let me open it. It looks like a pomade, and with a consistency, I can see it. People using it to kind of like spike your hair up and give you a little bit of texture. So the next product is, who's the brand? Marrakesh oil. I don't know what this is, but it says it has argan and hemp oil therapy, which is also good. I don't know. I have never tried this. I'm going to also try it on my scalp, maybe on a client's scalp, just to see what it's going to do. So it's interesting to use products I've never used before. If you guys refer to my product junkie video, I get excited when I get something new so I can review for you guys. Then this Earth and Body Miracle Oil. Now this one says it's 100% vegan, paraben free, gluten free, THC free, everything free. So it's like super natural and everything. Now when I was looking at the ingredient, it has soybean oil and then jojoba oil, tea tree, eucalyptus. I've actually tried this on a client, and she had that, because it has tea tree in it, the peppermint feel is kind of tingly on the scalp. It makes the scalp feel good. So I'm going to be using this also, and who knows, I might be able to review it and see it works, doesn't work. Miracle oil, I'm assuming that it's probably to help stimulate growth. So that was that. And then there was this Babe Lash eyelash serum. So I will be using that too. I don't do that much makeup on here, but who knows, I'm about to start. So this is something that I'm going to be trying to use. And also we got a nail polish for free. See, I don't know what it is. This is, it's like a nice little color, nice pastel blue color nail polish. So yeah, so that was my little product that I got in my free bag. I also buy a whole lot of products. I bought some brushes, I bought some rollers, some pins, and some other stuff that I would be using to enhance my little clientele experience. So if you like this video, hit the like button, also the notification button, so that you get notified every time I have a new video. And also don't forget to comment, and also, look at my other videos and see what you think. Till next time, Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys soon, okay? Bye!